With the aim of giving the best treatment in the Kompally area, Renova Hospitals has started mid-level multi-specialty hospital. So let us know some of the details with Mr. Pedireddy, who is the Managing Director for the Renova Hospitals. So please let us know what is the reason for starting in this area firstly.
See, the main reason is Omega Renova philosophy. Renova philosophy is to give healthcare to the doorstep of general public. Like, if you see, there are very good corporate hospitals in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is called as medical hub, but most of these corporate hospitals are located in major business hubs like Bandara Hills and Gachibowli. Now, people living, for example, if you take Kompally in this area, even for a small consultation or even for an emergency, they have to travel 1.5 to 2 hours to the city to approach corporate hospitals. I'm in healthcare for the last 20 years. Looking at this issue, I thought, why don't we develop a mid-level multi-specialty hospital across the Hyderabad. Now, why mid-level multi-specialties? Once you have a hospital of 400 bedded, 500 bedded, it is not easy to replicate it in every other nook and corner of the city. Therefore, we thought we will do 100 bedded hospitals in 10 different peripheries of Hyderabad, so that people staying in 5 to 10 kilometer vicinity should be able to access these facilities. Now, the challenge is, initially also we had nursing homes in these areas, but people were never going there. The reason is, today people want good infrastructure, good technology and good doctors. So unless you develop good infrastructure and put good technology, good doctors will not come. Once you give a combination of all these three things, then people staying around the hospital will definitely come and access these hospitals, and they will save that golden period wherein the healthcare protocol might change. So that is the basic idea of putting up this hospital.
So you already said that you are going to launch some more branches also. So why you are just planning for only mid-range hospitals? So why can't you just go for a big one? And why can't you give the best services? So what are the services also you just provide in these hospitals, like 70 to 100 bed hospitals?
No, the reason, as I told you, if I put up a very big hospital again, the capital cost will be very huge. That means, I can put up a big hospital at one place, but I'll not be able to replicate a number of branches. If I do a mid-level multi-specialty hospital, at the cost of doing a 400-bed hospital, I can do 4 to 5 hospitals at different areas. The idea is to go to the doorstep of public, not to put a hospital and tell people to come to you, because healthcare is a basic need of the people, and I believe we should be able to provide healthcare within 5 to 10 kilometer vicinity of the public. That is the reason I believe in doing smaller hospitals.
So what are the services that are going?
See, basically for any hospital, all multi-specialty services like emergency, intensive care, orthopedics, general medicine, gastroenterology, gynecology, all the services which are there in a corporate hospital will be given here also. As I told, the capital cost compared to a big corporate hospital would be 25-30% for our hospitals. Though the capital cost is less, it doesn't mean that the expenses also will come down similarly, because you have to pay doctors as much as you pay to as much as the doctors are paid in corporate hospitals. So if you look at like that, overall our cost would be around 50 to 60% compared to a corporate hospital.